Our block 1 in 3 taxpayers wait until April to file. If you're one of them, time is almost up. Because of a holiday in Washington, D.C., the deadline for filing was extended to April 18th rather than the 15th. And the 18th is nearly here. Eyewitness News reporter Misty Inglet went out to see what people need to know for last-minute taxes.
This is what your penalty was. This is what it could be next year.
Penalties are what last-minute taxpayers are hoping to avoid with an extra 3 days to file taxes this year. With the deadline to file approaching, tax prep companies like H&R Block are keeping busy.
It's picking up dramatically right now. We had some great days the past few days.
But there are a lot of people who don't go into a tax service. They go online. Sites like H&R Block, TurboTax, or even Free File at irs.gov are all commonly used sites for do-it-yourself taxes. But tax advisors say sometimes filing online can have its complications.
Overlooking exemptions, credits, not answering a yes or no question properly. So if you don't have a little bit of tax theory and understand it, sometimes the online makes it a little bit difficult.
One of the biggest mistakes Smith sees with people's taxes is that they just fill everything out exactly like the last year and don't account for any major life changes. Having a baby, getting married, buying a house are all things you can get credits and deductions for on your return, and a lot of people miss that.
Education credits is another big one. With Pocatello being a university town, we're finding that a lot of people are not taking advantage of education credits that are worth up to $2,500.
Something else Smith says people may not realize is that you need to file something by the 18th. Whether it's a payment plan, an extension, something should be in. But a caution.
The big thing about an extension is it's not an extension to pay.
If you owe money, the government still expects it by the 18th. But not filing at all is a 10 times greater penalty than not paying in full. So before the clock strikes midnight on Monday, make sure those taxes are in. Reporting in Pocatello, I'm Misty Inglet.
Now, according to the IRS, it's projecting about 13.5 million requests for extensions. Those who do file for an extension will have until October 17th to complete their return.